The promise of a fully autonomous AI feature is officially hitting a wall. For the last year, Silicon Valley has promised that AI agents will soon run our businesses, handle our logic, and replace human reason. But a landmark mathematical proof has just confirmed that an AI agent will never do what is being promised. This is not an opinion. It is a settled law of computational complexity. I am Hussain Mohammad Shahadat from Digital Solutions Zone. We are now entering the era of agentic AI, tools like Magnus and OpenClaw that can click buttons and browse the web for you. It looks like an AGI, artificial general intelligence, that has arrived, but in reality, we are just watching the ceiling get higher, not disappear. At Digital Solutions Zone, we believe in navigating marketplace shifts with technical truth, and the truth is that math behind LLMs is fundamentally limited. The mathematical ceilings. Computation per token. The core issue lies in the architecture of large language models. When you prompt a model, it performs a fixed amount of work to generate each word. Whether you ask it to say hello or solve a complex physics problem, every token gets the same computational budget. The travel salesman problem. To visit 20 cities and find the shortest route, you need to check over 2 quintillion combinations. An LLM physically cannot do this math in one shot. Pattern matching versus reasoning. Because it hits a computational ceiling, the AI doesn't think harder. It guesses. It uses pattern matching to give you something that looks plausible. This is not a bug. It is a physical limit of the architecture. The agentic trap, why chains fail. The current trend is chain of thought or agentic workflows, giving the AI more steps to solve a problem. The marketing pitch is that if the AI has more room to work, it becomes smarter. At Digital Solutions Zone, we see this as a mathematical trap. The Time Hierarchy Theorem. The settled theory states that complex problems require a minimum number of steps that cannot be shortcut. If a task requires more steps than the model can perform, it will unavoidably hallucinate. Compounding errors. Giving an AI more steps are like giving writer more paper. It doesn't make the writer smarter, it just gives them more room to ramble. Without the ability to mathematically verify its own logic, errors compound. By step 5, the agent is off track, and by step 10, the entire chain collapses. In the agentic era, hallucination is a cumulative mathematical certainty. The reality gap, human versus AI baselines. To see this sailing in action, look at the Vending Bench 2 results, the 2026 gold standard of testing AI agents running a business. Top AI model Claude Opus 4.6 netted about $8,000 in simulated profit. The human baseline. A human performing the same task netted $63,000. The collapse. The AI fails to reach even 15% of the human baseline because it loses coherence over long time frames. We have seen agents give away inventory for free or report their own bank fees as fraud. Without a human to reset the error rate, the autonomous chain eventually breaks. So here's our strategy. How to win under the ceiling. AI is not useless, far from it. At Digital Solutions Zone, we use these tools every day to research, drafting, and data reformatting. But to thrive in this era, we must follow 3 rules. Firstly, be specific. Automating an entire workflow will fail. Automating a specific task like drafting an email in your tone will succeed. Secondly, human verification is a structural requirement. Verification is not an option. It is a mathematical necessity to reset the error compounding. Thirdly, patterns, not logics. Use AI for what it is, a world-class pattern recognizer, not a logic-heavy math engine. If AGI were truly months away, the smartest engineers in the room wouldn't be waiting OpenAI to start risky startups. They're leaving because they see the ceiling. The next models will be better, but they won't be qualitatively different. They are tools, not gods. At Digital Solutions Zone, we help build a digital presence that leverages the true power of AI without failing for the marketing myths. We specialize in building technical authority that is grounded in reality, ensuring your business stays on the winning side of the map. For a professional audit of your AI integration and technical strategy, contact us at info@digitalsolutionszone.com. Subscribe for more strategic marketplace insights. Thanks for watching, stay ahead of the curve, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.